class, ma? What is our last class? What is our last class discussion? Last class discussion. All of you, please follow me carefully. I am executing here. Check your database installation. Database softwares you take care. So if you don't install the databases properly, you will get the problem. You will get the problem. So database connection, altering the table, creating database, inserting database, DML operations we are discussing. DML operations we are discussing. So steps for development of this kind of thing. So if you carefully follow it, last class we already completed insert operation. Today we need to go for dynamic operations we are. So insert operation is done. Delete program also we discussed, I think so. I hope so it is discussed. I hope that it is discussed. Yeah, delete record also. Record insert. I will open record insert. So let me open ma. This is called, look at that. See ma, first listen, last 10 minutes I will take care about your doubt. Please install the databases properly. Database software to be installed properly. Meena, I will talk to you at the end of it. At the end, I will talk about it. So let me enter into the subject. So we inserted the data. Statically. Now we want to insert the data. Let me start Oracle also. SQL plus Scott and then Tigerma. So today we need to go for, yes, Vishwas, listen ma. About MySQL also I will come. MySQL is not giving error, but Oracle gives error. So take care. That's what I said. Take care about the database software installation. Take somebody's help who knows Oracle software. That is my advice I told you yesterday. So select star from tab. So last class we created, I think so, student table. We created. So what I said, select star from student. So this is the data which we have already. So now I will go for, this is a which data? Static data. With static data. Shall we go for dynamic data? Dear students, will you permit me to go for dynamic data? Yes, sir. Very good. Let us enter into the dynamic data to insert. Right. So now I am going for, please look at. Now I am going for next Python program. You will feel very, very easy. So yesterday I told you format specifiers. Do you remember? Ma? Dynamic record insert. Do you remember format specifiers? %D, %F, like that. Do you remember? Yes, sir. That we will use it. Dynamic record insert 1.5. Dynamic record insert.py with the dynamic data. Dynamic data. Now I am going to insert into the data dynamically. Come on, tell me now. Which module I will import? See, import RE. All of you, please set right by yourself and then please concentrate. Right. Import RE. I will write a try block. Except block also I will made it ready. What is an exception will come? Sorry, ma. CX underscore Oracle. Yeah, I went to regular expression directly. CX underscore Oracle imported. Module is imported. Yeah. Yes, ma. What is an exception? Ma? What is an exception? I got it. Database error. CX underscore Oracle dot database error as a DB. Some alias name. Print of, what is that? DB. I will say DB. Print of what? Database problem. You can write DB I can write. Some name I can write. So I can write like this also. Database problem. What is the problem? It is expressing to us. : DB you can write it. You are giving a message, database problem and DB you are giving. Okay. Now, this type of except block you already learned. Now I'm going to, yes, ma. So they switch it off. Okay. Okay. Right, ma. Yeah, cyclone effect is there. Right. So, no problem. We will continue this. We will continue that. Yes, ma. DD. Follow me. So now I will go for, now what we will do? We want to execute the query. What is our query execution? Not static query execution, dynamic query execution. For that, what I need to do? I need to accept the data from keyboard. Which data I need to accept it? Take the table. Student number I need to accept from the keyboard. Yes, name, student name I need to accept. Marks also. College name also I need to accept from the keyboard. How many values I will accept from the keyboard, ma? How many values I need to accept the values from the keyboard? 4 values I need to accept the data from the keyboard. Now I am writing, ma. stno is equal to any variable you take it, ma. Int of input of. Now I am writing enter. What I am doing? Student number. Please follow me, ma. Student number. Right. Now I am just saying like this. Just decoration purpose, because I want to give full length program here. Yes. Now enter student number. I got the student number. Yes, I got it. Next, I want to get it. ST name. ST name is equal to just input of enter. Student name. I am taking student name. Next, I will go for marks. Marks is equal to float of input of. Come on now. Enter student marks. See, ma, how easy it is. Dead easy it is. Right. So coming to the point of it. Next I am going for STNO, ST name and marks. Next C name, college name, COL name is equal to CMA. Input of, I will take enter. College name. Enter college name. I am taking enter college name. So right, we got 4 values. Dear students, we got 4 values. Now these 4 values are available. I need to go for dynamically. So we accepted the data. Now we will go for preparing the query. This is a very talented ma. QRY is equal to QRY, dynamic QRY. So you can take any variable name. D query, dynamic query is equal to some variable name. How do you prepare it? Earlier, what we used to do? Insert into what we used to say table name values. We used to place directly earlier 10 comma. So KVR. Then I said some 34.56. Then I wrote what? OUCET. Like this we used to write it. Which type of data this is, ma? Which type of data this is? Please tell me, all of you. Which type of data this is? Static data. This is called static data. Now, today we don't write static data. We want to write dynamic data. How many columns are there here? How many columns are there? Please tell me. 4 columns are there. Please look at 4 columns. SNO is having which format specifier in Python? Tell me. Which format specifier? Percentage D. Excellent. Percentage D. In our Python, I am talking about percentage D, comma. Next is called what? A name. Name is there. Excellent. What is the format specifier? Percentage yes. And dear student, percent yes means what? How do you write in our database? How do you write in database? Within single quote. Already you know. Here only you write within single quote. Do you understand the single quote, ma? All of you? Please confirm. Percentage is there. In that what I wrote? Double single quote I wrote. Because database require single quote. Yes. Comma. I will write it. Comma. I will write next is called what? I will go for next word. Marks, please. Tell me all of you. Marks. Marks is called what here, ma? See. Percent F. I need to write percent F. How easy it is, %f, comma. Next, what is C name? College name. You see college name. College name is what? College name. Yes. You need to tell within the single quote, that is called your efficiency of yes, of %yes. How easy it is, ma. How easy it is. End of it. This is end of it. Dear students, can you confirm? Can you confirm? Is it understandable? Is it understandable? Everybody must confirm it. There is no hurry at all. Understand perfectly because it is your life. Because you can go for any project. You can go for any project. Perfect. Right. Now I need to execute. So these values must be linked with this query or not? These dynamic values must be linked with the dynamic query or not? These dynamic values must be linked with this dynamic query. Sir, how to link it, sir? Very, very simple, sir. Very, very simple, sir. And moreover, I will be getting before the try block, here the try block, I will get all of the things. What is that? Get the connection object. How do you get the connection object? CON is equal to CX underscore Oracle dot connect. Connect. Tell me, I forget. Username Scott. Username Scott Tiger at the rate localhost of what? ORCL. I got the connection object. Create the cursor also. CUR is equal to CON dot cursor. I got the cursor object. Then I started entering the data of the student. Then SEMA, these values, dynamic query prepared. Now I need to execute the query. So these dynamic values must be linked with these values. So in the execute method, I will do it. How do you execute? CON cursor dot CUR dot execute. Very, very simple. Dquery. See, dquery. Your query, comma, dquery space. Don't give comma. Please be careful. No. Okay. Cursor dot okay. Dot execute. Dquery space % of stno. Your values which you read. ST name. Please careful. ST name. Comma marks. How easy? Marks. Comma COL name. I am writing. Is it understandable or not? Dquery contains what? 4 values are there. 4 values are there. For first value called %d, this stn was supplied dynamically. For %s, st name, this st name will be substituted within the single quote. Marks %f, college name %s. Are you okay? Are you learning how to link, ma? Are you learning how to link? Yes. Now you tell me, insert operation is a DDL or DML? Is it a DDL or DML? DML means compulsory. Which function we need to use? Commit, sir. Commit. Excellent. I need to write CON dot commit. We need to use it. Then once you say commit, I will say one message here, ma. I will say one message. See the beautiful message I am giving. What is that message? Print of student record inserted. Student record inserted successfully. Inserted successfully. Verify. We will verify it. Then after that, inserted successfully. This is inserting how many times? Ma? How many times? One time only. It is inserting. Let me execute this program first. See, let us execute this. Right. Seema, Siva. These values are nothing but our Python variables. There is no relation with these names with the database columns. It is one of the very, very important, I am telling. These column names is nowhere else related with our local variables. These are all after all called local variables. These are all after all called local variables. There is no relation with this kind of variable names. Are you following me? Right. Let me go for executing this program. Let me go for executing this program. I will just save it. Let us go to save it. Yes, done. Coming to the command prompt. No relation with our variable names with that column names. When the relation is there, I used to tell. So coming to the point of it, G colon, KVR Python, KVR Python. Now I am saying that 9 AM. Now Python hyphen Oracle. There I will run my program. Pi, see that. Beautiful. Enter the student number. Enter the student number. See that. Right. Now values are ready. Now I will enter 30. Now I will enter 30. 30. Now I am entering name of the student Siva. Now I am entering Siva. What is that? Marks is called some 67. Next college name is called something like CBIT. CBIT. See that? Student record inserted successfully. Now it is end of it. It is coming out of it. Check it out. Go to the database. Go to the database. Select star from student. Yes, 30 Siva is inserted. 30 Siva is inserted. Dear student, this program is allowing you to insert one record at a time. Suppose I want to insert it continuously. I will go on inserting continuously until I say, do you want to insert another record? No. First of all, is this code is clear? Is this code is clear? Yes, sir. Now I will make it as until the user is going to say no. Shall I make this code as interactive? Yes, sir. Let us go to convert this code, sir. Now what I am doing now, sir? You see what I am doing. While because we are already familiar with this type of code, while true, this entire thing I will go for while true, this entire thing. See, written inside of this while. What I am doing after that, I will take here ch is equal to I am saying that input of do you want to insert another record? Do you want to insert another record? In the bracket I will write yes oblique no. Yes oblique no. I will write like this. Now I will take like this. Yeah. Now I will take if ch is equal to no. I will say ch is equal to no. What I will do? If you say no, excellent. Break. Very good, ma. Break. If you enter yes, see. Yes, you entered. Yes is equal to no. False. False means it is going to the while loop. It will continue the while loop. Very, very simple. Already we are familiar with that. Execute. Come on, ma. Beautiful output is coming now. Right. Enter the student number. 40. Sharma. Shivam Sharma. Yes, Sharma. So I am getting yes, Sharma. Student name is called OUCET student. Is called OUCET student. Now, okay. Now I entered wrong. In place of marks only I entered. See, I will take value error also. One beautiful error I will take it. Let me write. That also I will write it. Value error also let me write it. Except anything is error. Value error. Let me answer that also. Value error. Say print off. What is that? Don't enter. What is that? Alpha numerical values. Don't enter. Don't enter. STRs. I will write STRs. Next what? Special symbols. And next what? Alpha numerics. Right. Done. So this part is there. Let us take it now. Go for that. Enter. Now I will enter. Number is called 40. Shivam Sharma. Marks is called 45.67. college name is called OUCET. Now see, student record is inserted successfully. Student record is inserted successfully. Go to that ma, check it out once. Shivam Sharma is inserted or not? Inserted. Next what? Yes, I want to insert. Yeah, enter the number. Number. Karan. I will enter Karan. Now, Karan. Now a number I want to enter. Invalid number. So 50. 50. I will say Karan. Now I will say marks. Some 56.78. College name is called OUCET. Inserted. Yes. Next I will enter. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Now I will enter. Enter. Student number is called 60. I will enter Rajashekar. Rajashekar. Yes, Rajashekar. Now marks is called some 34.56. Now I will enter JNTU. JNTU. So I got another student. You say no, it will come out of it. It will come out of. Go to the place. Go to the place of your database. Go to the place of your database. See, select star from all these things. Are we inserting the data dynamically or not? Dear students, are we inserting the data dynamically or not? Yes, sir. We are inserting the data dynamically. Dear student, if you want to handle this value error, which you got it just now, which is not firing now, what I do is, I will write inside of this while loop. One more try I will write. One more try. Beautiful code I will write. Beautiful code. So see, one more try. I say here I am writing except I am writing except what is that? Value error. I just wrote value error. So message I will write it. Print. I am writing don't enter. What is that? STRs. Special symbols. Alphanumerics. Please. Now you execute again. Now you say, enter the student number. I am entering something like ABC. Please see, ma. Don't enter STR. Number I enter ABC. Don't enter like this. Enter the number. Now it is asking, you are inside the loop. Right. So, number you enter. Something like 60. So, Durga Prasad. D Prasad. I am entering D Prasad. Now I am saying marks is called what? 45.67. And the college name is called OUCET. Now I got the data. No, I got it. Amount of. Durga Prasad is asking the doubt. What is the difference between static data and dynamic data? Durga Prasad, are you not understanding static data and dynamic data, ma? Are you not understanding here? Static data means what I said, yeah? See, values I am placing there. If you want to place the data once again, what will happen? I need to change these values or not? Dynamic data means what? I am getting the values, everything from the keyboard. I am shouting from half an hour onwards the same thing. So go to the place of Oracle, say select star from student. I got this. Right? So I am shouting from half an hour onwards about this dynamic data only. Now simply you are putting a question, what is static data and dynamic data? What is the difference you are asking? Dear students, everybody is understanding the difference? Is everybody is understanding the difference or not? Yes. All of them are saying yes. Done. Leave it. So coming to the point of it. Now let us move forward. This is called what? Dynamically inserting data. Here we are using basically format specifiers we are using. Now I want to go for, I want to insert the data. I want to delete the record. Dynamic updation. Previously what we followed, see, record delete. Please observe this code, ma. Here I wrote a code, delete from student where SNO is equal to 30. Delete from student where SNO is equal to 30. This is called which query? Which query, ma? Which type of data? Static. Delete query is okay. Which type of data? It is a static data. Now I want to go for dynamic data. How do you write the dynamic data? Now we need to understand the dynamic data. Shall we write the dynamic delete ma? Here only 30 will be removed. If I want to remove another one, I have to change this program. I have to save this program. Shall I go for dynamic data? Yes, sir. Now we will go for dynamic data. How to go for dynamic data? So with your help, I will do it. With your help, I will do it. I will take the same code, ma. I will take the same code. Others here. Now I am taking. I am writing Python here. See, carefully follow. Dynamic record delete 1. So obviously this is done. Say getting the connection. If you want, I can come to this dynamic program for deleting a record from a table with the dynamic data. Come on, now I will go for it. Got it. Now I will go for this. How do you do? Until I say continuously. So I am saying that until I say, now I am going to write the query here. How do you write it? Cursor object you create it. Cursor object. Sujata, please follow ma. QRY means what ma? What doubt you are asking ma? What doubt you are asking? See the doubt of Sujata. See the doubt of Sujata. See what is the doubt? QRY means static or dynamic, sir. QRY means static or dynamic, sir. What I can say ma? QRY means, see what is the doubt she is asking. So sad. QRY means what? It is after all one variable. Everybody is saying that it is a variable name. See, such a type of doubts will make me to feel lot of dullness. So, okay, let it be. See, QRY means it is called one local variable. Sujata query, yes query, KVR query, any type of variable name you can take it. Please concentrate. So cursor is equal to Sujata cursor is equal to SUJ cursor. Sujata connection is equal to, see I am using, all of them are called local variables. Sujata connection dot. What is that? Cursor. Sujata, SUJ is equal to, got what? Cursor. Right, I got the Sujata query. Cursor, I got it. Now I am asking, while true, because already you habituated, na, I am writing directly while true. Now I am asking directly this type of points. See, this type of points. Because when you ask that type of doubts, na, I will really feel so sad for it. Really dull for me. So done. So it is going to be query. Now I am asking, what is that? STNO is equal to, now I want to delete the query based on the number. Int of, tell me, input of enter student number. Enter student number for deleting a record. For deleting a record. Come on, now I am asking. Enter student number for deleting a record. Yes. Now I am going to introduce STNO. Now I need to prepare a query. How do you prepare a query? SUJ query. Sujata query is equal to, after all it is one variable. How do you prepare a query? Delete from, what is that? Student. Delete from student. Come on, fast. Delete from student. Where? What is the condition? Delete from student. I will write where SNO is equal to, compulsory this SNO need to be taken. Compulsory here. SNO. This columns to be taken compulsorily. So in this place, SNO compulsory I need to take is equal to %D. I will write %D. End of it. Double quotes end. Done. %D. Now I need to execute this query. How do you execute this query? SUJ cursor dot, Sujata cursor dot, Sujata cursor dot execute. Link your query with your number. How do you write it? SUJ query. Sujata query is equal Sujata query space. I will write what? STNO. Percent of STNO. Percent of STNO. This percent of STNO. This is linked with this. Linked with this. It is deleted. This value is applying this value. Done. Next, I will go for what? Now I will go for what? Yes, ma, Mr. King. If you have same record twice, you can remove with your Oracle statement row ID, row num concept is there. With that, you can do it. Oracle concept it is. So now I need to go for SUJ connection dot commit. We need to say commit function. We will say commit function. We will say. Then with this, what is happening? One record will be removed. One record will be removed. I will say print off. What I am saying? Student record deleted. Student record deleted. Now I will say end of this. End of this I will say. End of this I will say. Now I will say ch is equal to input of. I am writing. Do you want to? Do you want? Do you want? Do you want? Do you want to delete another record? Another record. Do you want to delete another record? In the bracket, yes, yes, oblique, no. Do you want to delete another record? Yes or no. So I will write if ch double equal to, you say no. What will happen? I say break. I say break. I say break. Now done. Now done. If you want to take care about value error, still you want try block, you write inside. See, programming you learn perfectly. Programming you learn it. Now I will come to that. Now I will write value except value error. Except value error. Print off. What is that? Don't enter. Same message. Don't enter. STRs. Special symbols. Alpha numerical values. Even I am not copying also. I am writing everything. Alpha numeric values. Anything is there, we will solve that problem. So let us coming to the right. So coming to the point of it. Right? Done. So this is what is happening. So here I am writing delete from student where SNO is equal to percentage D. Somebody is saying what is that? Line number 11. Who is that? Galaxy A71. Error in line number 11. What is that line number 11? Delete from student. Okay. Where SNO is equal to percentage D. What is the problem there? No? What is the problem there? You can delete on any column name. You can delete on roll number. You can delete on name. You can delete. Yes, Shivam Sharma. You can delete on anything. We can delete on anything. Okay, Galaxy, no error is there in that. Okay, no problem. Okay, no problem. Let us execute this program. So here condition is SNO. If you want to take names, yes name you write it. What is our column name? SNO. You want to delete based on marks? Yes, you can remove. C name basis, you can remove. Yeah, no problem. So let us save this code. Now I am going to delete this. Delete. Save this code. Out of that, go to the Python program. Now you say py. Now I am saying delete, dynamic delete. So it is asking enter student number for deleting a record. Just to check it out your database site. Check it at your database site. Once you just say select star from student, this is the data. So I will enter 60. For example, if I enter 60, 2 records will be removed. Because 2 people are having 2 records. If you want to delete this properly in your Oracle database, there is a beautiful concept is there. Of course, if anybody knows Oracle, I'm showing row ID from student. See, student. Here you are having Last two things you take it. Last two things you observe it. All of them are same. Last one D and E is there. Everything is same. ID, these are called row ID. Internally, the Oracle is giving some type of ID. So D and E are the last one is different. So based on row ID, we can take it, we can remove that. Right? So coming to the point of it, right? So and in this, I will enter 60. See, student record deleted. Student record deleted. Student record deleted. Suppose you check it out here. How do you write it? See, select star from student. The 60 is gone. 2 students records gone. 2 students records gone. How do you do that? We have a query. What is that? We have a query. How do you write that query? Normally, I will try to write it. Delete from C students. Delete from student where row ID is equal to select max of row ID from student where SNO is equal to 60. Where SNO is equal to 60. Max is a function. Row ID is called that. What is the max ID here? For example, if I think about it, E is the max. That will be selected. This row ID will be selected because of this kind of thing. I am talking about the higher end part of Oracle. Here it will be substituted what? Row ID. That E value substituted. That will be removed. Are you understanding, guys? Those who know Oracle, they will get the taste of it. They will get the kick of this query. Those who don't know Oracle, they cannot get the kick of it. Okay. Anyhow, coming to the point of it. Now I will enter one more record. What is my another record? I will take 40. Or I will take some data. I want to remove some data. I will go for 40. I will say yes. Now I will say enter that 40. I will enter 40. 40 record is done. So it is going to be, and see that 40 record is gone. So this is a way how we can enter the data. Say no. So it is coming out of it. You say, do you want to enter that? So you say CON is not defined. Yeah, somewhere else where CON where it is used, ma? Yeah, here Sujata connection I need to use. SUJ CON. Here SUJ CON. We need to write SUJ CON. This is not necessary to write it, but I just wrote it. Dear students, are you following, ma? Are you following dynamic delete? Yes. Now I want to go for an update function. I want to go for an update function. So we understood this is done. Insert function, delete function, we went for that. Delete function also we went. So here I will take it. Delete function also we gone. This is for insert. Now we can say delete function also we can go for it. I told you delete. I said delete from. Yes, ma. Ash, what is your query, ma? If anybody was late, again asking the same thing again to explain, because some hundreds of students are there, I cannot explain once again, ma. If any batch is there, you just try to take care. Delete from student where SNO is equal to some value we will paste. This is called statically removing. Execute the query. One record deleted. That I was shown you. Yeah, last 10 minutes I will speak regarding that. So please let me continue my subject. In middle of it I cannot speak. It is a disturbance for others. Please understand. Delete. Now I need to go for update kind of thing. I need to go for it. Update. What is the purpose of update, ma? What is the purpose of update, please? Updating the columns of my database. Updating the values. So I want to update the values. How do you need to do changing the values? changing the values. So I will go for update. So I will go for update. Very shortly, I will go for reading the data, which is a very, very important for me. So next I will go for update. So there I am writing, this is used for, I am writing, this is used for updating the values, updating the record values, I can say, updating the record values based on some condition, based on some condition. Yes, sir. What is the query, sir? What is the query? Syntax of the query, sir. Example. What you need to do is very, very simple. Update table name. Update table name. What? Update table name. Set. You need to take set. Update table name. I will write it. Just write. Let me write a syntax. First time you are seeing a table name. Table name. Set. Column name. Set. Column 1. Column name 1 is equal to value 1. Val 1. See that carefully. Comma. Column name 2. Column name 2 is equal to value 2. So on column name n is equal to value n. Where condition. Semicolon. This is a query for it. Suppose I want to change which one based on the number. I want to change the marks, for example. How do you do that? Based on the number, I want to change the marks. Suppose by mistake 67 is entered. For Shiva 67. Now I want to enter 67.45. He got it. How do you update? We can do that from the back end also. I can do from back end also. How do you do it? Update name of the table, student, marks is equal to 67.34. Where? To whom? SNO is equal to 30. Where SNO is equal to 30. Are you getting my point? Update. Which table? Student table. What? Marks. To whom? 30. You say what is that? Okay, missing set is missing, set keyword. So we used this set we forget. So we need to use set. Now you enter. So one row updated. See, select star from student. See that 67.34. 67 only earlier we have 67.34. It is showing, but you need to get, if you say roll back, you say it is going to give you rolled back. You say select star from student. Again you are getting the 67. Now you say set is equal to 67.34. Once you do that, you say immediately commit. These are all called Oracle commands. I am saying commit you say. Now you say roll, see select star from student. You got it. You say roll back also. Will it be rolled back to old values? No, sir. See, I got select star from. It never go back to rolled back. Why? I said already what? I already said what, ma? Commit, I said. I already said commit. So I hope that you people are following my work. So coming to the work of this kind of things. So I want to, you can't roll back. So I want to go for update program also. I want to tell you. Update related program also I will tell you. So directly I will go for dynamic program only. I will go for it. Shall I go for dynamic program only? Dynamic update. Right? Directly I will go for a dynamic update. So dynamic delete is there. I will take with the help of this. If you don't mind, I will come to this. Let us watch this. This is database. Once you catch it, they are dead easy. So see that. Dynamic update. Dynamic update. .py. Dynamic update .py. Dynamic update .py. Right? Program for updating a record. Program for updating a record. Updating a record. In a table. with the dynamic data. With the dynamic data. Importing normal, getting the cursor, Sujata connection, Sujata cursor object, while true. While true. Now I am going to take what is that? Enter student number for updating a record. For updating a record. Updating a record. Yes. Now I am entering update. Update query, you write it. So I got the number also. So write it. What is that? Update. Of course, I will read the marks also. Just 1 minute. Student. What is that? Set. What is that now? Update student set. Marks is equal to. I will write percentage D. Percentage D. Percentage D. Where SNO is equal to percentage D. This is percentage F, ma. Percentage F. Percentage F. Percentage F. Marks is called percentage F. Where it is called like this. Now, what is this percentage F also I need to read. Now I am saying marks is equal to ST marks is equal to, I am taking that float of input of, I am saying that enter student marks for updating. For updating. I got it. For updating. Now I will read. Now query is also prepared. Now you come to that. Execute. Sujata query. Yes, Sujata cursor is equal to Sujata query, comma. What I will do? In this query, what is an order? First come, first served, you need to take it. First come, first served, you need to take it. First come, first served. So what is the first come? Marks. First is called left side onwards, it will come. Marks. Next is called what? D. Tell me what I will write here. ST marks, comma. Tell me. Come on, tell me. STNO. Dear students, please come on to the point. STNO. See, this query is concerned. Two values are there. ST marks first, next STNO. Because order you need to follow. Left to right associativity will be further marks. Then commit immediately, you say. Student record updated. Student record updated. Do you want to update another record? I will say. Do you want to update another record? Do you want to update another record? Yes. We want to go for it. See, ma, carefully watch it. Now I will save my code. Student dynamic update. Right? Look at that. Now I am saying dynamic update. Come on to the point. Now execute. Now you execute. Now say py. I am writing dynamic update dot py. Enter the student number for update. Enter the student number for updating. I will say Shiva 30. Enter the marks for updating. Something like 99.99. 99.99. See that student record updated. Go to the place. Here I did student. Here I got 99.99. 99.99. Right? Next, I will go for yes. Once again, I will say yes. Now it is asking enter the student number for updating. I will say 10. Record number. Enter the marks for updating. 23.45. Record is updated. Let us go to that and then check it out. So here you got 23.45. Right? So I hope so. How you are updating the things. Dear students, are you following? Yes. Suppose you say no, it is coming out of database connection closed. Out of it. Are you following, ma? Are you following this? Now, dear student, I just want to say one small point. Sir, how do you know that record is updated or not? Just I want to write one small condition. Just one small condition I will write it. What is that condition is? After committing, I will print one small special statement I am printing. Special statement. Print of number of records updated. \n. Special statement. Number of records updated. special point I did not tell you so far. Number of records updated is equal to we are having dot format of we are having cursor object is there na, cursor object is containing some cursor object. Sujata cursor I took it. Sujata cursor object I took it. What is that object? SUJ cursor object. That is containing one special method, special attribute is there. Row count is there. Row count is an attribute. Row count, which is going to count it. How many records are updated? Are you understanding? Cursor object dot row count. Row count. Are you following? Cursor object dot row count. Cursor object dot row count. So cursor object dot row count I will say. So I will say that cursor object dot row count. Let us follow it. And carefully try to follow. This I will write. This statement I will write in the below line. I will write it. Below line I will write it. Below this line I will write it. So it will be more clear for you. Let me execute once again. Let me execute my program. Now say execute. Now I am saying here I will write like this. So what is the point I am saying? Enter the student to update. Now I will take one record, one number I will take. 20 you enter. 20 you enter. Now I enter the marks for updating. Some 12.34. Now you see number of records updated. What is that? 1 is coming. 1 indicating that it is updated. Student record updated. Let us go back. Now say select star from student. It is 12.34. 12.34 is done. 12.34 is done. Next you go for one more time you run. What I am saying now? Yes. Now I am saying enter the student record to update. 90. Actually, do you have 90 here? Do you have 90 here, ma? Yes, guys. No, sir. No, sir. See that, ma? Updating. Suppose 34.56. For example, number of records updated. How many? 0. That indicates what? Record is there or not there? Record is there or not there? Record not there, sir. So how do you write that, sir? Here, if you say beautifully, I will write here. If you understand me, I will write one beautiful statement. With the help of you, I will do it. If with your help, I will write it. If row count greater than or equal to 1, what will happen? Record updated. Yes or no? All of you. Record updated, sir. Else, all the programming lovers follow. All the programming aspirants follow. Else, tell me. What is that? Print of, what is that? Student number and its record does not exist. Are you following? Student record does not exist for update. Student number and its record does not exist for update. Kaushal Tata, yes. Are you understanding this beautiful point? Yes, sir. Enjoy the student. All the student. Wonderful programming. This is. This type of code you learn, ma. This type of code you learn it. Start again. Please. Let me save this code once. Yes, please. Now start. Come on. Enter the number of students for updating. Let us check it out. I said 10. I will say student record 10. Yeah, I will say something like 11.11. 11.11. What is happening? Student record updated. Why student record updated? It is a greater than or equal to 1 record updated. Now I can verify. I can go to my place. I can verify. See, ma, student 11.11. Dear student, yes, I want to. Now I will say something like 80, 89. I will say something like 34.56. See, ma, student number and its record does not exist. Excellent coding. Excellent coding. Right? Do you want to update another record? Yes, sir. I will go for enter the record number 100. I will say some 23.45. Student number and its record does not exist. Do you want to continue? No, sir. I will stop it. Dear student, are you following, ma? Are you following? Mr. Shivam Sharma, I told how many times semicolon will I wrote semicolon. Will it be considered or ignored? Huh? How many times I told minimum I said how many hairs are there in my head? That many times I told you. Ignored. Doesn't matter. I told so many times. Right. Coming to the point of it. I told you already, Mr. Satish, if you enter the wrong data, you will be getting DB problem. I told you already the exception in the class. Already I told you, Mr. Satish is asking this type of doubt. I already addressed this type of thing. I enter student number 20. Enter. He is asking to enter, update the marks with other kind of thing. See, marks size, I told you what? 5.5 comma 2. 5.2. I will say he is asking 123.45. But our size of the database is what? Containing 2 decimal places, this kind of thing. I already told you DESC student. I told this so many times in the class, even in previously. I said my marks are what? 5 comma 2. 5 means totally 5 digits. 2 are for decimals, 2 are for integer, 1 dot. Now you are trying to update this kind of thing. You will get a DB error. See, student record updated. Whether it is updated or not, you check it out. Student record updated or not, you check it out. So it is going to be what? 123.45. Now the reason is it is our Oracle 11G. It is going to introduce what? Object oriented programming. Object oriented program. Oracle is called what? ORDBMS. So it is going to be allowing to do that. If you are going to restrict on this kind of thing, it is not going to be updated. Right? If it is going to be size restrictions, if databases are having, this is going to give you this type of error. Are you getting this? Yes. All of you should get this type of point. So all these things has done. These things are comes under what? All the DML statements has done. All the DML statements with perfectly we did. Yes. So next we are going for next discussion is this part. Which one? DRL queries I want to go for it. DRL queries. So let us go to the DRL queries. DRL queries I will go for it. So I am going to introduce DRL queries. So what is the DRL query? DRL queries. Now I am going to say DRL queries are used for to read the records from the given table to fetch the records, read the records from the given table. To read in DRL, we use select. This is called a query name. So in other words, select query, I can write like this. Select query is used for reading the records, selecting the records from the given table. Right. So coming to the point of it, what is the syntax? Now I'm going to take the syntax. Now I'm going to take the syntax. What is that? Select column name 1, comma, column name 2, so on. Column name n from your table name, where condition list, where condition you need to take it. Already, if you know Oracle, you know the complete syntax of select statement. So as a part of Python programming, I am giving what is a select in brief. Now, suppose our table contains example if I take it. So go to the Oracle database and just observe it. Select column name 1, SNO, comma, name, comma, marks, comma, and C name. I am writing from student. All the column names I am selecting. As it is, I am getting. Instead of writing all the column names, I can use star. So all the column names, instead of writing everything, I can write something like this. Suppose you want only 2 columns to select, you can take happily. Yes name and then marks, I can write happily. So column names should be written. If you write any column names, STNO you are writing by mistake, you are going to get error. See that STNO star symbol? In the STNO is an invalid identifier. You need to take properly. It is not necessary to take in the same order. You can take, first I will take yes name, comma, STNO you can take it. STNO and you can take, that is called SNO, That is called SNO, I can take it. So order is not important. In any order, I can select it. So we want to read that. So select query is returning number of records. Select query is returning number of records. So I'm going to write here. The select query is returning number of queries. So I'm writing here, dear students, already you are aware of it. Select star from student. So select star from student. With the condition also, you can go for it. With the condition also. Select star from number and this thing, where select star from, I can say. Star means all the column names. Select star from student, where STNO is equal to something like 20. Now I am getting SNO is equal to, I got all the values. SNO, name, all the values I got. Next I will say 30, I will get this. Yes, if I want to select on the basis of name, yes, name is equal to Kaushal Tata, Seema, KVR. So you are going to get KVR. So KVR is going to having what capital letters are there. You need to take that data carefully. KVR, I will write capital KVR. Now you are going to get the data. Number is coming, name is coming, marks is coming, college name is coming. Any kind of condition you can apply, there is no issue at all. I want to go for taking greater than 20. Greater than 20 student numbers are coming. Yes. So use your own use your Oracle knowledge and then apply. Because I am not a Oracle course teaching here. I am teaching Python here. We need to done this kind of thing. I am teaching Python programming. I am not teaching Oracle course here. If I teach Oracle course, I will explain completely Oracle 18G kind of concept I will explain. Yeah. Let us coming to the, now next I am going to introduce, got it. Now your select query is returning. Now you coming to the point of it. The select query return is an important point I am writing. The select query is returning. So returning what? Records, returning multiple records. Returning what? Multiple records. The select is returning multiple records. And those records are available in, now I am going to take those records are available in our cursor object. Those records are available in cursor object. Those records are available in where? Cursor object. And those records are available. This is a very, very important point. Available in cursor object. Cursor object. So from cursor object, we need to retrieve those records. Select is returning number of records. And those records are available in cursor object. So from cursor object, we need to retrieve the records. From cursor object, we need to retrieve the records. We need to retrieve the records. Retrieve the records. We need to retrieve the records. To retrieve the records, we need to retrieve the records by using, we need to retrieve the records. To retrieve, I will write point by point, so it is more easy for you. To retrieve the records from the cursor object, to retrieve the records from the cursor object, I am writing. To retrieve the records from the cursor object, we use the following functions. We use the following functions. What are the following functions, sir? Now, number one function. By just looking at it, you can easily understand. Number one, fetch function. Fetch functions are available. What are the fetch functions are available? Now I am writing. Number one. First function I am writing. A. Fetch one. Fetch. F-E-T-C-H. Fetch one. It is one function. Second function is available. Fetch all. I will explain one by one more. Don't worry. I will use all the things in the class. Fetch all is another function. Another function. I will explain them one by one. Third one is called what? Fetch many. Fetch. F-E-T-C-H. Fetch many in the bracket n. What is that n? Number of records. Now I am writing one by one. So function one is used for, I will use it in the program now, is used for fetching one record at a time. Is used for obtaining one record, obtaining one record at a time. From which object? Cursor object. In the form of tuple. Why only tuple, sir? Because once the record is coming, you cannot change that values. Right? In the form of tuple. Function 1 is used for obtaining one record at a time from cursor object in the form of tuple. I will show you that. Don't worry. Next is called fetch all, used for fetching all the records at a time from cursor object and written in the form of list of tuples. Let me write it. I will show you all those things in the class also. Function 2, fetch all, see, is used for returning, obtaining all the records at a time from cursor object in the form of list of tuples. In the list, we will have tuple. Each record is called a tuple. Those are available in the list. We already learned in our beginning days. List in a list, tuple in a tuple, tuple in a list. We created already that kind of thing. Inner list concept is explained. Fetch all is used for obtaining all the records at a time from cursor object in the form of list of tuples. Now, so this is giving, first one is giving one record. It is giving all. Now you can expect it. Fetch many. I don't want all. I don't want one, but I want a desired number of records. And don't ask me, sir, I want first record, fifth record, seventh record, ninth record. No. Whatever the order of records are there, you will get that many from the beginning. Fetch n. Here, I will write here n N represents what? Number of records. Number of records. Now you tell me, this function is used for fetching n records at a time. This function is used for, I am writing, this function is used for reading n records. Reading what? N records. Reading n records at a time. Reading n records at a time. Reading n records at a time. From where? Reading n records at a time. From where? Cursor object. And returns in the form of what? Come on, expecting n. Suppose 10 records I am specifying. Suppose a table is containing 20 records. It is giving records in the form of. Come on, anybody else? In the form of list of tuples. In the form of list of tuples. Shall we go for it? How many functions are there to retrieve the records? How many functions are there to retrieve the records? 3. Number one, please. Number 1, all of you. Fetch one, yes. Fetch one. Fetch one. Fetch all. Fetch many. Let me show you that now. I will go for showing the data. Okay. So, fetch one record at a time. Fetch all. Fetch many. Fetch all will give you complete records. Fetch many will give you only your number of things. I will go to a shop. I will get complete packet. That is called fetch all. Complete chocolate packet. Fetch all. I will take only 3 chocolates from the chocolate packet. 3. Fetch many. Fetch many of 3. Only 3 chocolates. Fetch all complete chocolates of chocolate packet. Finished. Now I will go for program. Now which query we are going to execute? Which query I am going to execute, guys? Which query I am going to execute? Select sort. Now let us go for the select sort. Now I am going to obtain the select. Please follow me. Select I am going to introduce. So I am going to introduce select. So let us go to the up to here it is common. Up to here it is common. So I will take it. This part I will take. Just follow me carefully. So here I am writing, paste it. So it is called select example. Select example 1.py. Select 1.py. Program for reading records. Reading the records from table. Reading the records from the table. Come on. Now I am writing import cx underscore Oracle. So connection is equal to C. Connection is equal to, now I am writing try block, okay, that I will write always. It is important for you. Important mechanism to be rememberable always. So except database error cx underscore Oracle dot database error. Database error as a DB. Now I will say print problem in database. Problem in database. Now I am writing comma DB. Now coming to the point of it, right? Coming to the point of it, DB is written. Now I am going to introduce students. Try colon. Now I am going to introduce this kind of thing. What is that? Try block I am going to give you. Start connection. CON is equal to CX underscore Oracle. That part I will be taking common. Need not to type it again and again. I will take that part. So I will get it. So here I will take, yes. Now I will get it. Cursor is equal to CON dot cursor. Yes, done. Now I got it. Cursor object, I got it. Next, what I will do? From the cursor object, I want to get it, the data. How do you get the data now? Now prepare the query. What is the query? S query is equal to, S query means, don't think that, sir, what is S query? S query, select query, that is called SQ. You take your own variable name. Because what doubt you will get it, I will get fear first of all. Yes, select star from student. Select star from student. I got select star from student. All the table, all the records I want to get it. Now tell me, execute the query. How do you execute the query? Cursor dot execute of what? SQ, select query. So cursor object, I told you, it is an object created at our program, sending to the database. Then it is executed and kept the total result in the cursor object only. Now I want to print. How do you print it? Now how do you print it? Now I want to get it. How I will get it? First you see. All of them you see. Cur dot fetch all. Now I am taking fetch all. Fetch all. FETCH. Fetch all. I will just show you. I said that some variable I will take it. Some variable KVR I am taking. KVR. So first print KVR. What will happen? Print KVR. Print it. What will happen? You see. Print. See what will happen. Just execute it. What is the result is coming? I said fetch all. Said what you need to remember. Out of that, see, you come out of this, say, out of that, now you say, pi, select example 1.pi. See ma, carefully, this, see the symbol and see the last symbol. What is this symbol? Come on ma, what is the last symbol? List. In middle of it, you see first record, available in the form of what? See this symbol. What is this symbol? Tuple. Another record is also available in where? Tuple. Another one is also available what? Tuple. Tell me now. What is that? What I said? Fetch all function. Fetch all used for obtaining all the records at a time from the cursor object. Returns in the form of what? List of tuples. List of tuples. Perfect. List of tuples. I got it. List of tuples. Okay, now? List of tuples, we got it. Perfect, students. Now I will get a fetch one. I will go for fetch one. Here only I will use the word fetch one. Here only I will use fetch all in place of fetch one. I will use fetch one. One record will come. One record at a time. From the cursor, what is the first record is available? KVR record will be coming. KVR record will be coming. Fetch one. Understand? Yes. Next I will take fetch many. I will say two records. Two. Only two. See that? Fetch two. I got list only. List of tuples. Tuple. First record, second record. First record, second record. Are they getting my point? Dear students? Yes. Now, from there, I want to get it. Fetch all, you take it once again. Fetch all, you take it. Now, from there, I want to print that. Come on. For REC, record, this is called. In KVR, so many records are there. Record. REC in KVR. What is coming? Tell me, ma, what is coming? REC. Complete one record is coming. Tuple is coming. Print that. Print REC. Beautiful. Print REC. Now you execute. One record is coming. See, first tuple is coming. Second tuple is coming. Third tuple is coming. Fourth tuple is coming. First, second, third, fourth tuple is coming. All of them are coming. Are you getting my point, guys? Right. Are you okay? Yes. Now, those records I want to print properly. Sir, how do you print, sir? Inside of it, if you follow me, ma, I will write print of, see, backslash t, I will write, 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 dot format of, tell me, first one is coming, what is this? REC of 0, REC of 1, REC of 2, REC of 3. Yes, I will go for REC of 0, comma, REC of 1, comma, REC of 3, REC of 2, sorry. Next I will write REC of 3, I will write it. REC of 3, I will write it. REC of 3, I will write it. First one I got, first record value, second record value, third record value, fourth record value, that is called first record. First record contains first column value, second column value, third column, fourth column value. Now I will write, here I will write comma, yes, end is equal to, we are already using that, end is equal to some space I am using, Now I will write for loop, print of, I am writing like this. Just watch it. Here I am writing. See that all the values are coming. Okay. Now it is going to give you some small point, ma. Nothing to worry. I will print it. This is a one, I got it. This is a one. Second one also printing there only. I will print it. Right now, don't worry. Now, this is done, na? Take it. REC contains how many values? First fetch all. What is REC contains? Out of order, right? REC. Okay, no problem. Now see, what is the value coming? All the values. First one, what is REC? One value is coming or not? One record is coming or not? First row. That first row value I want to get it. For value in REC. Beautiful logic. What is the first value coming? Now I am writing beautiful statement. Now I am writing like this. Dot format of value, comma, end is equal to some space. Now I will write print of. Record is coming. In that record values I want to print it. Each value by value it is printing. Are you okay, students? What is this end? After the first value printing, some space I am giving. Some space I am doing. I am giving some space. Execute this program. Now see what is coming. You see 10 KVR, some space in the same first record in the same line, second record in the same line, third record in the same line. Like this I am going for. Beautiful. So I am coming to this. If you want to give some space for all those things, I will give like this. So I am going to give you. Now I am going to give you print of. I am giving employee student records. I am going to say print of. Now I am going to say like this. Student records. This is a little complex logic. This is a complex logic. End of this. Here I am saying like this. Start. Execute. See that student records. First record, second record, third record, fourth record. You want to insert any record? You can insert it. You want to insert any record? You can insert it. Which code we have? Dynamic select is there. Dynamic insert. Dynamic insert program is there, na? You run that program once. Dynamic insert. Please go to dynamic insert wherever it is there. Dynamic insert. Dynamic insert. Dynamic insert. Yes, I will say something like 40. Mallesh, Now I am taking marks is called 77.77 and he is called JNTUH keys. Now it is inserted. Now you execute. I don't want to insert any more record. Yes. Come on. Now you execute. Now this program you execute. Which program? This select program you execute. Select program you execute. Malesh is coming. Malesh is coming here. What, students? Mind-blowing example. Are you following or not? Yes, ma. Are you okay? Here, fetch all will give you one record. Next, value in REC. I'm printing the value by value. Perfect, sir. With this knowledge, you can do any project. With this, you can do any project. There is no doubt in that. There is no doubt in that, please. Okay. I hope that you people are following this concept. I hope that you people are following this concept. So this is fetch all. Fetch all will contain all the concepts. Fetch all is little complex. Fetch all is containing little complex. So I will write here fetch many. I will write fetch many. I will write something like 3 records. Only 3 records data you will get it. Only 3 records data you will get it. What happens? CX has no attribute fetch many. FETCH, H spelling mistake, ma, spelling mistake. H is missing. Yeah, right. I got 3 records. I got 3 records. Okay, ma. See, I got 3 records. Right. So coming to the point back, all these things. Fetch many, you can say. Suppose if I write fetch many 30, what you will get it now? Fetch many 30. Fetch many 30. Do you have 30 records? Do you have 30 records? No error, no error, no error it will come. It will give you all the records. It will give all the records. 30 is not there. It will give all the records. It will give all the records. 30 is not there, but it will give you all the records. Are you following? Yes. Fetch many. I will not write anything inside. For example, fetch many. I will not give anything. I will not give anything. It will give you all of them. Fetch many without value, it will give you exactly working like a fetch all. Are you following? These are called extra points. After learning bike driving, we will go for cutting. How to do cutting? How to make our bike to run with a single wheel? These are all called feeds. Doing feeds in the subject. After learning car driving, how to do with magics, miracles, all these things. Fetch many of minus 23. You see that no records will come. No records. So I will say fetch 0. See that fetch 0. 0 also will be giving you what? All the record is neglected. Negative value, no records. 0, all the records. More than the existing number of records, all the records. No value, all the records. I hope that these are all called experimenting. 2, it will give you only 2 records. So fetch many acting as what? Fetch 1, fetch all. Will you accept it or not? Fetch 1, fetch many acting as a fetch 1 and fetch all. Will you accept it or not? Yes, sir. So this is called very, very simple. This is called communication with the Python with the Oracle. Once we know one database, other databases are just like left hand, left finger. Just like a left hand, left finger. This is the concept of communication between all the queries executed. All these things I will upload in the net. I will upload in our Google Drive class. Python with the database communication is over. Now tomorrow's class, I will go for MySQL communication. I will tell. Within 1 hour, you will understand MySQL also like anything. MySQL I will tell you tomorrow, same time, same link. Right. Dear students, 1 minute, ma, 1 minute, all of you please listen. Tomorrow's class, as usual, 1 minute, all of you, as usual, we will go for original links. 4 o'clock, 4 o'clock. With this today's class, what is over? Python communication with Oracle is over. Tomorrow, we will use the original link. I will open my timetable. I will open my timetable because I have the timetable also with me. I have timetable with me. So I don't know whether I saved there or not. Time. So time is there or not, I don't know. So time is there. This is what I told you on the day. So Tuesday is over. Tuesday is over. So tomorrow onwards, this will be done. Tuesday, now I am taking our original 9 a.m. link. 9 a.m. original link. 9 a.m. original link. Original link, I will use it. We will 9 a.m. batch students use 9 a.m. original link. We will discuss MySQL. MySQL communication. Listen, don't leave the class. MySQL communication. MySQL communication. Connection with from Python. From Python, I will tell you. And 4 p.m. people, 4 p.m. this is over. From tomorrow, that is Wednesday that is 9 a.m. link. And next we are going to use, now we are 4 p.m. people are there. 4 p.m. batch, I will take separate discussion. Same concept I will discuss tomorrow also with them, MySQL connection. Because that connection is already engaged with something that will be done. This is the discussion. Tomorrow we are using original 9 a.m. link. Once again, I am telling, if you log in this special link of Sunday, your class will not be there at that link. This will be tomorrow's class. With the tomorrow's class will be the final last class for this MySQL. 9 a.m. batch will complete tomorrow. Will complete tomorrow. Yes. Will complete tomorrow. Last topic is MySQL. I told already in the classes, already those things I said. So whatever the things which I used to teach for all the batches, I used to discuss very detailed, more than 3 months I taught. So project is separate. If I start project batch, we will be getting the information to you people. You will be getting the information to you people whenever I start any project batch. Because when I teach any project batch, 1 minute, listen, 4 p.m. people will not log in MySQL separately in 4 p.m. I am saying that only 9 a.m. tomorrow. Only 9 a.m. I am saying na. Only 9 a.m. 4 p.m. batch will discuss separately. Right. So if you have exam, you write it, but my class will be there. Tomorrow I will complete my batch. Okay. This is the last batch tomorrow class. And one more time I am saying, Thursday, a new Python batch is starting. New Python batch at 9 a.m. New Python batch will start. So, yes, Seema, DD, I am telling to you, whether you believe it or not, you never used it. You believe me strongly. AVRs are always with the students. We will never use it. I already gave my number, Nama. Always I am with you. You just see. You will not use. You read my concepts thoroughly, ma. You are the number one in the software industry. Dear students, all of you, please listen. You read my topics which I said, which I taught more than like anybody else to you. Yes, ma, DD, the same thing. Because when HTML came into the picture, even all the things has gone. Right. Fine. So certification and all, I am not going to provide for it. Institute people will give you the certification for all of you. So tomorrow we'll complete our Python batch, and Thursday we are going to start the new Python batch at 9 a.m. Please intimate to the friends. This is my request for all of you. Right. Tomorrow I will give my number, ma. I will give my number tomorrow. So once again, I'm saying to everybody, 9 a.m. people use original link, which I'm saying again and again. Don't miss it. So which link tomorrow 9 a.m. people will use? Which link you will use tomorrow? 9 a.m. original link. You have to write 9 a.m. original link. Yes, ma. Vishwas. Tomorrow I will tell you that. Vishwas. Tomorrow I will tell you. Tomorrow 9 a.m. original link we will use it. 4 p.m. people will use original link. So batches are separated now. No combining tomorrow onwards. So we will go for, yes, ma, college exams or whatever it is. Please take care. Talk to them. You get the link of mine. You attend the backup batches. No problem. No problem. No problem. Okay? Right. Thank you. Good day. Yeah, regarding Django batch, if I start, you will get the message because so many people are waiting for this. So many people are waiting for the new Python batch. That's why they start.